Achieving Korean glass skin might seem like a distant dream, especially when using affordable Indian products. But what if we told you it's possible? Yes, you heard right. The Korean glass skin trend, a phenomenon that has taken the beauty world by storm, is no longer a distant dream. This trend, characterized by a hydrated, clear complexion without visible pores, resembling glass, has gained immense popularity. But often it seems unreachable due to the high cost of Korean products. However, let's debunk a myth today. You don't necessarily need those expensive Korean brands to achieve that coveted glass skin. You can get the same results with affordable, accessible Indian products. Yes, products right from your neighborhood stores can help you achieve this trending look. In the next few minutes, we will explore a 7-day routine that can help you achieve the same results without breaking the bank. So, let's embark on this journey to glowing, radiant skin together. Stay tuned. The first step in our 7-day routine is double cleansing. It's not as complex as it sounds. The idea behind double cleansing is simple. It's all about using 2 types of cleansers, one oil-based and one water-based. The oil cleanser helps to remove oil-based impurities like makeup and excess sebum. Then the gentle cleanser takes care of the rest like sweat and dirt. Let's talk about products. For the oil cleanser, you can use any lightweight oil like coconut or olive oil, readily available in Indian markets. For the gentle cleanser, look for a mild, hydrating face wash that doesn't strip your skin of its natural oils. Remember, the goal is to cleanse, not to dry out your skin. So why double cleanse? Well, it's all about making sure your skin is thoroughly clean. When you only cleanse once, you might leave behind some residue, which can lead to breakouts or dull skin. But with double cleansing, you ensure all impurities are removed, and your skin is ready to absorb the next products in your routine. Double cleansing helps remove all impurities and sets the right base for the rest of your skincare routine. The next step in our routine is exfoliation, a crucial part of achieving that glass skin glow. Exfoliation is the process of gently removing dead skin cells from the surface of your skin. It's a game changer, folks. It helps to keep your skin looking fresh, bright, and youthful. The benefits of exfoliation are numerous. It helps in unclogging pores, preventing acne, and making your skin smoother. It also helps your skincare products penetrate deeper into your skin, giving you more bang for your buck. Now let's talk about how to exfoliate using Indian products. You can use a gentle scrub like a walnut or apricot one. Remember, the key is to be gentle. You don't want to scrub your skin raw. Use small circular motions, focusing on areas that tend to be more oily like the T-zone. Another option is to use a mild chemical exfoliant, like a product with salicylic acid or glycolic acid. These work by loosening the glue-like substance that holds dead skin cells together, allowing them to be easily wiped away. Regardless of the method you choose, be sure to exfoliate no more than twice a week. Over-exfoliation can lead to skin irritation and damage. Regular exfoliation promotes a smoother, brighter complexion, taking you one step closer to that coveted glass skin. Now that your skin is clean and exfoliated, it's time to hydrate. Hydration is the cornerstone of the Korean glass skin routine. It's the secret sauce that adds an enviable glow to your complexion, making it look like clear, shimmering glass. So how does hydration work its magic? Imagine your skin as a garden. Just as plants need water to grow and bloom, your skin cells need hydration to look healthy and radiant. Without adequate hydration, your skin can look dull and lifeless, just like a withered garden. But what's the best way to hydrate your skin? Enter toners and essences. They are the superheroes of hydration, swooping in to save your skin from parched dullness. Let's start with toners. Think of them as the thirst quenchers for your skin. They help restore your skin's pH balance, which can be disrupted during cleansing. A well-balanced skin is a happy skin, ready to absorb the goodness of the products that follow. One of the most crucial steps in achieving glass skin is sunscreen. Now you might be wondering, why sunscreen? The answer is simple: protection against UV damage. The sun's ultraviolet rays can cause serious damage to your skin, leading to premature aging, pigmentation, and even skin cancer. By applying sunscreen, you create a shield that protects your skin from these harmful rays, helping to maintain its health and glow. Sunscreen also plays a significant role in preventing dark spots and uneven skin tone, common issues that can disrupt the smooth, clear appearance we associate with glass skin. Not to mention, it helps the rest of your skincare products work more effectively, by maintaining the skin's overall health and balance. There are plenty of affordable Indian sunscreens in the market, such as those from Lotus Herbals and Lakme, that offer broad-spectrum protection without leaving a white cast or feeling too heavy on the skin. Remember, sunscreen isn't just for sunny days. Even on cloudy days or when you're indoors, UV rays can still reach your skin. That's why using sunscreen daily is non-negotiable if you want to maintain a healthy, glowing complexion. For those who want to go the extra mile, using a sheet mask can boost hydration and brightness. Sheet masks are like supercharged serums soaked in nutrients that your skin will absolutely love. They help to lock in moisture and can give your skin an instant glow. Now, you might be wondering which sheet masks to go for. Well, there are several affordable Indian brands that offer fantastic sheet masks. Brands like The Face Shop, Nika, and Garnier have sheet masks infused with ingredients like aloe vera, green tea, and hyaluronic acid, which are all excellent for hydration and brightening. Remember, sheet masks are not a replacement for your regular skincare routine, but an addition to it. They're like the cherry on top of your skincare cake, serving as a quick, fun, and effective way to give your skin that extra dose of nourishment. While optional, using a sheet mask can significantly boost your skin's hydration and brightness. Achieving Korean glass skin with affordable Indian products is not a distant dream. It's a reality that can be yours through a simple 7-day routine tailored to nourish and hydrate your skin. Let's quickly recap this routine. You kickstart your skincare regime with a double cleanse, first using an oil-based cleanser followed by a gentle cleanser. This essential step ensures clear skin, preparing it for the next steps. Next up is exfoliation, a process that removes dead skin cells, paving the way for a smoother, brighter complexion. However, remember to avoid over-exfoliation as it can strip away your skin's natural oils. The core of this routine lies in hydration. Toners and essences play a crucial role in maintaining your skin's moisture balance. They keep your skin hydrated, plump, and radiant, the key elements of the coveted glass skin. We cannot stress enough the importance of sunscreen. It protects your skin against UV damage, a vital step often overlooked in skincare routines. Remember, sunscreen is non-negotiable, regardless of the season or weather. Optionally, you can also incorporate a sheet mask into your routine. This hydration booster not only enhances your skin's brightness, but also adds to its overall glow. Consistency is the golden rule here. Regular adherence to this routine is vital. Skipping steps can hinder your progress, so remember, commitment to skincare is key. Product selection also matters. Choosing products suited to Indian skin types ensures better results, as they are formulated to address localized skin concerns. Look out for active ingredients like niacinamide that target specific issues such as pigmentation and uneven skin tone. Don't shy away from Ayurvedic products. They often contain herbal ingredients known for their nourishing properties. With consistency and the right products, you too can achieve that coveted Korean glass skin. So, what are you waiting for? Start your skincare journey today.